digital world around us actually functions? The answer to that is coding, the backbone of every app, website, and software you use. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of coding, specifically focusing on a concept that is fundamental to all programming languages: variables. Imagine walking into a library. Each book on the shelves contains different information. Similarly, in the world of coding, variables act like these books. They hold various types of data that a program might need, and just like the books in the library, you can retrieve, modify, or replace the information stored in these variables as needed. The first step to understanding variables is to know that they are nothing but named containers. You can think of them as boxes with labels that store different types of data. But how do you create these named containers? Well, the process is relatively straightforward and depends on the programming language you're using. For instance, in Python, a popular programming language known for its simplicity, you can create a variable named greeting and store the string hello world in it just by typing greeting =, hello world. Here, the equal sign is an assignment operator, which means it assigns the value on its right to the variable on its left. It's important to note that variables can hold different types of data. This includes numbers, strings, Boolean values, and more complex data structures like lists and dictionaries. Moreover, the type of data a variable holds can change during the execution of a program. This property is known as dynamic typing. Another key point to remember about variables is that they follow certain naming conventions. For instance, a variable name must start with a letter or an underscore and can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Also, most programming languages are case-sensitive, which means a variable named greeting is different from a variable named greeting. The versatility and flexibility of variables make them a fundamental aspect of coding. They allow programmers to create dynamic applications and solve complex problems. By understanding how to use variables, you're taking a big step towards mastering the art of coding. In summary, this video has provided an introduction to one of the most basic yet crucial coding concepts: variables. We've learned that variables are named containers that hold various types of data, and we've seen how to create a variable in Python. We've also discussed the different types of data a variable can hold, the concept of dynamic typing, and the naming conventions for variables. Remember, like any other skill, coding requires practice. So don't hesitate to get your hands dirty and start playing around with variables. The more you experiment, the more you learn, and who knows? You may just be on your way to creating the next big digital innovation. Happy coding!